Hello guys, you know I love a good kurta set and today's haul is all about easy everyday ethnic looks that still feel special. All these pieces are from brand Feshore, a brand which honestly nailing a balance between comfort and style. Their prints are playful, ethnic, fits are flattering, and all are made in 100% pure cotton fabric, which means they are perfect for everyday wear, especially southern and western part of India. Okay, first up is this beautiful mustard color kurta set. I love how it mixes florals with stripe. It creates that subtle print clash that is interesting but still totally office appropriate. It is a sleeveless kurta with shirt collar and front buttons. It has this beautiful princess cut with clean A-line silhouette, and it has this beautiful small slit at the front and no slits at the sides, so it holds the shape perfectly. And the highlight is it has the belt at the back, so you can cinch in the waist if you want to or leave it relaxed depending on your mood or fit preference. For the reference, I am almost 5'3", not exact 5'3", and it falls below my calf, so it has nice midi length, and honestly you can wear it as a dress too without the palazzo because it has enough coverage and structure to work on its own. Straight palazzos are cropped, fully elasticated, and fit is also relaxed, and it is made in pure cotton fabric. This one is perfect for warm office days when you want to look sharp but feel chill. I styled it with these gold hoops, a bracelet, my Van Heusen tote bag, and clear acrylic heels, but with slight tweak in accessories. And if you wear it as a dress, it can work for brunch and casual outings too. Look 2 is this super soft peach Angarakha style set, and honestly I would like to wear this on days when I want to look put together without thinking too much. It has this beautiful pink color floral print, small V neckline, classic 3/4 sleeves, and this potly buttons down the front. Kurta has clean A-line shape and slight flare to it. Also, it has no slits on the sides, and this Angarakha style panel kind of flows when you walk. This pink piping detail on the neckline and Angarakha panel and on sleeves ties the whole thing together. Palazzos has different print but in same shade, so it creates a nice contrast without looking mismatched. Again, palazzos are fully elasticated, comfortable fit and cropped. They are made in pure cotton fabric. Whole set is made in pure cotton fabric, so comfort is guaranteed. I styled it with gold earrings from Rubans, a stake of bracelets from Amazon. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and for the bag, I picked up this structured Guess bag. I can totally wear this look on casual Fridays for work, for a quick temple visit, or low-key family event. Look 3 is for my sunshine lovers. This beautiful yellow color block printed kurta set, and what makes it special is this katha work on the neckline and cuffs. It adds such a subtle detail without being too much. This bright yellow kurta set comes with this gala patti and V neckline, and it has this classic 3/4 sleeves with these beautiful katha work cuffs. This V neckline with katha work creates a kind of yoke effect in this kurta, and these pleats under the yoke super forgiving and flowy. This would look great literally on any body type. Pants are my favorite part. They are in the same print as kurta, partially elasticated, and yes, they have 2 pockets. Always a win. I styled this beauty with Ruban's earrings, gold bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels again, and for office wear look, I paired it with Van Heusen tote bag. But if you are wearing this look outside the work, like you can wear it for a family gathering, little festive event, so you can tweak the accessories and you are good to go. And last look of the haul, and we are going strong with this earthy maroon set. It's got that subtle mix of ethnic and stripe prints that makes it feel super wearable. But what I love most is this yoke at the front. It has this gold sequence detail on it. It is not too blingy, not too much, but just enough to dress it up a bit. V neckline and 3/4 sleeves keep it classic. These pleats below the yoke makes it easy peasy and perfect for all body type. It flares out slightly and it has 2 slits, so it moves really well. Pants are striped, same print as this yoke, so it creates a nice cohesive effect. Plus they are partially elasticated and cropped. Plus it has one pocket, so it's super functional. I styled this desi look with oxidized jewelry, these jhumkas, bracelet. For the footwear, I picked up my black Carlton London heel, and to give it a little structure, this Lavi bag. You could wear this look for casual festive days, ethnic Fridays, or quick dinner out with family. And that's the wrap of this beautiful fashion haul. And honestly, I can't pick one favorite. They are all so wearable, comfortable in different ways, and I must say, fit of all these dresses are just awesome. So tell me in the comments which one was your vibe. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you with another styling story. Bye.